Jungkook may be the Maknae of BTS, but that doesn't mean he's not filled with wise words. Next time you need strength to get through a hard time, take a look at these 16 smart and thoughtful quotes. 1. Even if we have hard times, it matters a lot when we are happy. Jungkook. 2. You should build your own goals and dreams. I think it's really sad that some people don't get a chance to build their own dreams because of outside pressure. 3. Don't do anything you don't like to do. Just do whatever you want. 4. Effort makes you. You'll regret someday if you don't try your best now. Don't think it's too late, but keep working on it. It may take time, but there's nothing that gets worse when you practice. You may get sad, but it's evidence that you're doing good. 5. Whenever you miss us, you can come to us. If you have to go or if you want to go, it's okay for you to leave us. But always remember this: I will always be here. Jungkook. 6. Without anger or sadness, you won't be able to feel true happiness. 7. I can't just say cheer up no matter what, but in the midst of that difficulty, try to find that small happiness. 8. When people are in love, the heart for compromising and understanding each other is the most important. Jungkook. 9. There's no knowing what will come, but hard work will get us somewhere. 10. We should try to respect and understand each other. We need to be considerate of others. Only then we can understand each other and get close to each other and become one. 11. You do need to study, but don't suffer due to it. Because you might miss what you want to do because of it. You need to make your own dream. It's heartbreaking if you're forced by others. 12. My wish is for you to move on from relationships that aren't equal. You deserve to be loved. 13. For those of you who are working, no matter how frustrating, how tough, I hope you can overcome it and become an even stronger person. 14. I am still curious about people of my age. How they're living, what they're thinking, what are their goals and dreams? What I can do at the moment and be of help to them is music. A song that can encourage and comfort them during hard times. 15. Regrets. Revisiting what you didn't do well, it won't help you. The past is the past. Let's try to be a big person with a big heart. 16. Just because it's 2020, don't overwork yourself doing something. Don't get hurt and be healthy so your body won't get bad. And I hope you fulfill the things you want safely. I'll always cheer for you.